Ladies and gentlemen, let me start with a simple but powerful question. What would happen if your only source of income disappeared tomorrow? Your salary, your job, your business, the one place where all your money comes from. For many people, that single income stream is the foundation of their entire financial life. Their bills depend on it. Their family depends on it. Their future depends on it. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Relying on only one income stream is one of the biggest financial mistakes a person can make. Not because you're doing something wrong, not because you are lazy, but because the world is unpredictable. Jobs disappear, industries change, economies slow down, technology replaces roles. And when all your financial stability stands on only one pillar, the moment that pillar cracks, everything shakes. Think about a table. A table with one leg cannot stand. A table with two legs struggles to balance. But a table with four legs is strong and stable. Your income should be the same way. One income stream is fragile. Multiple income streams create financial stability and freedom. Too many people spend 30 or 40 years working hard, believing that a single paycheck will secure their future. They wake up early, they work late, they sacrifice time with family. Yet their entire financial life depends on one decision made by someone else, an employer. One restructuring, one economic downturn, one unexpected event, and suddenly the paycheck stops. That is not security. That is risk disguised as stability. But there is good news. You do not need to quit your job. You do not need to become rich overnight. You simply need to start building more than one way for money to enter your life. We live in a time where opportunities are everywhere. You can create additional income through skills, investments, digital content, small businesses, teaching what you know, selling products or services, long-term investing. Your job can pay the bills, but your extra income streams build freedom. Imagine this scenario. Your salary covers your living expenses, but you also have a small investment account growing every month, a side project that brings extra cash, knowledge that you monetize online, assets that generate income while you sleep. Now, suddenly, something powerful happens. Your job is no longer your only lifeline. It becomes just one part of your financial ecosystem. And when that happens, fear begins to disappear. You no longer panic about every economic headline. You no longer feel trapped in a job you hate. You no longer depend on a single decision maker for your survival. You gain options, and options are the real definition of wealth. Many financially successful people understand this principle deeply. They don't rely on one income source. They build systems. They create assets. They diversify. And the result is simple but powerful. When one income stream slows down, another one keeps flowing. This is not about greed. It's about security, resilience, and freedom. Think about farmers. A smart farmer does not plant only one crop. If that crop fails, the entire year is lost. Instead, they plant different crops so that even if one fails, others survive. Your income should follow the same strategy, because financial life is not about guessing the future. It's about preparing for uncertainty. Now, here's an important truth. Building multiple income streams does not happen overnight. It starts small. Maybe you invest a small amount every month. Maybe you learn a new skill. Maybe you start a small project after work. Maybe you share knowledge online. At first, the income might be tiny, but over time, small streams become rivers, and rivers create oceans. Consistency matters more than speed. The goal is not to chase quick money. The goal is to build financial strength step by step. Because one day, something amazing happens. Your side income becomes meaningful. Your investments grow. Your assets start working for you. And suddenly, you realize something powerful. You are no longer surviving paycheck to paycheck. You are building financial independence. And financial independence changes everything. It gives you time. It gives you choices. It gives you peace of mind. You can spend more time with family. You can explore new opportunities. You can live life with less fear. So if there is one lesson to remember today, it is this: never allow your entire financial future to depend on only one income stream. Build another, then another, then another. Start small, stay consistent, be patient, because the strongest financial lives are not built on a single paycheck. They are built on multiple streams flowing together toward freedom. And one day, when you look back, you'll be grateful you made that decision, because instead of being financially fragile, you became financially unstoppable.